What is kinetic energy? When an object is in motion, it has kinetic energy. The mass and velocity of the object determine the amount of kinetic energy. For example, a heavy object moving very fast, such as a passenger jet, has a lot of kinetic energy. Even after equipment is shut down and locked out, kinetic energy may be present and dangerous to workers. Some sources of kinetic energy may be hidden from view inside machinery, which can be hazardous if not identified and controlled. Other pieces of equipment may be moving so fast that it is hard to see if it's in motion, such as a circular blade or roller. It's ideal to have a system that confirms the equipment has completely stopped before allowing workers access. Some equipment may have brakes, which can be used to dissipate the kinetic energy, slowing and stopping the equipment. In other cases, you just have to wait until the equipment has completely stopped. All kinetic energy must be dissipated in order to make the equipment safe to interact with. Employers are responsible for identifying kinetic energy hazards in the workplace and implementing controls that prevent workers from contacting the equipment while energized. For more information, go to WorksafeBC.com.